Hi everyone, thanks for coming to Painted By. Today we're going to paint this darling Christmas baby Jesus scene to help us during Christmas season think of Jesus. Okay. Today we have my favorite little artist, Cleo.
Hi.
Hey, tell us about you.
I am 7.
Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, here's a list of all the supplies that you're going to need today. All right, should we get started? All right, so grab your pencils. Which one do you want?
I love that one.
Okay. We're going to do the star first. So I'm going to start mine at the top middle, and I'm just going to do a big plus sign.
Okay.
You know what a plus sign is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. And then coming down from that, we're going to do a triangle, just very, very lightly.
Okay.
These are going to be the rays coming from the star.
Okay.
Now, underneath that, we're going to do this long oval shape, and this is going to be the straw for the bed.
Okay.
Perfect. Now, underneath that, we're going to do 2 rectangles, kind of at a slant, like a diagonal. Just like that. And one over here. Yep, you got it. Okay, now let's work on the head of the baby. We're going to do the swaddle though. So I'm going to do kind of just this big C shape, but then I'm going to come down if you want to watch. I'm going to come down. The blanket comes off his face. Just like a little swoop. And then the body of it is really bumpy. Then we're going to connect it down here. Oh, you got it. Easy. Okay, now let's draw his face coming out from the blanket. It's really just this round bump. And mine's kind of small. I want to do mine bigger than that. So I'm going to erase it real quick.
Okay.
You too?
Yeah.
Let's erase that line in the middle of the blanket right here. Just erase that. Get rid of that. Okay, we are ready to move on with the paint. So go ahead, pick your brush.
Okay.
Grab your paper towel and put it close by in case you need it. And we're going to start with... Oh, wait, just kidding. Before we paint, we need to lightly erase our drawing. So grab your kneaded eraser. We don't want to completely erase it because we want to still see the lines, but we just don't want them to show through the paint. So just lightly go over it really quick. Perfect. Let's grab the color we're going to do baby Jesus's swaddle. I'm going to do like a forest green, a light forest green. What do you want to do?
I'm going to do like a light blue.
Okay, perfect. Here's your blue. Add some water to that. We'll get my green and let's start painting. While this paint is wet that we just put down, I want to pick up some of the pigment on the bottom of the blanket, just so that when we do the straw, we can paint on top of it. So I'm going to grab the paper towel and just lightly dab the bottom if you want to do that too.
Okay.
Don't pick up all of it. You got to be careful where you put the paper towel.
Okay.
Yeah, good. Just right there. Perfect. Good. Okay, let's move on and do the light coming down from the star. So we have a golden yellow. Okay, watch me. I'm gonna paint the light coming down from the star in just like big wide strokes. I don't want it to be perfectly even down close to the baby. Is your swaddle dry down here at the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move on to the hay, the straw in the manger. And we have this kind of warm brown. I added some yellow to it. And the hay is just really messy. So we're just going to do strokes going up and down and cross and long and short all the way throughout the bed.
Okay.
And then once you've done most of the bed, then just saturate the middle of it so there's no white spots. Just drop that color in there.
Okay.
Wash your paintbrush off, and then we're going to work on the color of the skin on the baby. So what I usually do is I mix red with yellow and a lot of water, and that will get you like a peach tone skin. But if you want to make it darker, you can add purple or blue or brown into that just until you get the pigment that you want.
Got it.
So ours is down here. Just use a really careful hand so that it doesn't get into the swaddle. Okay, so before we do the legs here, we have to let that straw dry. So you can step away and let the paint dry. You can get a blow dryer, blow it dry, or you can get a thick piece of paper and fan it dry. But once yours is dry, come back and we will paint the legs and do some detail work. Mine's dry. Is yours dry?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do a darker brown for the legs here. Okay, and you can go all the way up to the hay or the straw that you painted. You can even leave a little bit of white space so that you don't go over it. Good, that looks good.
Thanks.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, grabbing our gold paint, we are going to go ahead and do that plus sign first. And if you don't go exactly over where you sketched it with the pencil, that's totally fine because we'll erase all of the pencil again in a minute.
Okay. It looks so gold. It kind of looks like real gold.
I know, it's so pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, and now that we've done that, now I'm going to do a diagonal line coming down. And then another line go in the opposite direction.
Okay.
I like how thick your lines are, so I'm going to do that a little bit to mine. I'm going to do like upside down triangles on each one of these.
Thanks.
Okay, done with mine. Yours looks so good. Okay, do you know what would be cool? I think I want to do some of this gold color with just some lines coming down on top of that light yellow color. Some short, some long.
Okay, I think that's gonna look really good.
Okay. Yes, actually, I do like how that's looking. Perfect. Some coming down at the bottom. Maybe even some outside of that yellow paint. Okay, now we really have to let things dry before we can do more details. So again, take your blow dryer, take your thick piece of paper, let it dry, and come back when you're ready to move on.
Dang it.
Okay, ours are finally dry. So before we do the details, we're going to erase all of the leftover pencil marks. So go ahead and grab your eraser and erase any leftover marks that you see really quick. We both have some poking out. You need to really make sure that your paint is dry before you do this. Otherwise, you're going to smear it. All right, we have our yellow colored pencil that we were going to do some sun rays on top of the paint, but I like what we've done already. So I don't know, are you going to use your yellow colored pencil at all?
Yeah, I might.
On some parts? Okay. Maybe actually I'll do some lines around the star just to add some definition, just in a couple places.
I'll probably try to.
Ooh, I like that actually. Yes. Okay. All right, I'm grabbing my black colored pencil and I'm going to outline his face and then also his swaddle. And I'm going to do his eye, just like a sleeping eye, which is going to be a wide U shape. Just a really wide one. Just like that. Cute little sleeping baby. Now we'll outline. I'm going to add a couple lines to just show the folds in the swaddle blanket. That looks good. Yours looks good.
Thanks.
Grabbing my dark brown colored pencil, I'm going to go on top of the straw in his little bed.
Okay.
And these are also crazy lines, some going up, down, crossing over, some poking out of where we painted. It's almost like grass. Good, yes. Now moving on to the legs, I'm going to teach you how to make something look like wood. But first we're going to outline it kind of thick. And then in the middle of one of the legs, do kind of like a squiggly oval. And then you do lines going around the squiggly oval. Kind of like you're tracing it, but some of the lines don't connect. All right, I forgot to get the pink colored pencils. So here's your pink colored pencil, and we're going to do some cute rosy cheeks. Do you want to do a rosy cheek?
Yeah.
Okay, I think mine's done. How do you feel about yours?
Good.
Good. I love it. And I love that they look different because that means they each have our own style. But nobody would know who these were painted by if we didn't sign our names.
Like always.
Like always. So I'm going to grab my dark brown colored pencil.
Okay.
And I'm going to sign my first name just along one of the legs here. Okay, we're done. Thank you so much for painting with me today.
Bye.
Bye.